Our next section is the planning section. So here you'll find the calendar as well as a travel checklist. So when we go a little further down, you can see all the elements or the events that you have planned on your calendar by not by category, by dates. They're sorted by dates. And then here you have them sorted by categories. So I pre-entered some categories. If you want to add some or delete some, feel free to do so. You have your upcoming events. So those are all the checkups that I've set up for you. And then here you can see the past events. So whenever you're going to have some that are after today's date, they're going to appear here. Basically, if you want to add a new event, you go down here and then you create new, you type your event, the date of the event, the type of event, if it's a show, tour, competition. You can add some options also. You can add the location. I love to use the little emojis to make it, a little bit more personalized. So let's say I have a competition in Paris. So I type Paris and then you click on the two dots and then I know this is the French logo, so I type France. And then, you can make it a little bit more personalized, customized. If you want to link a contact to the event because, they're going to be there or whatever, you can. You'll see we have a contact section. If that's somebody you've met at the event or if it's someone that is going to be a key person during that event or a key point of contact information, you can select it. From there, you can add them or select them. And then here you can add your related goal. Why? Because this, as I'm going to show you in my planner, I use it mainly and also to plan my days of work, of practice and everything. So I link some goals to my events because that is how I'll be able to track my goals progress as well. Because as you have seen, when you set a goal, you have some stepping stones to get to. So every day you have to do some tasks, or every week, every month, depending on your goal. So for each task that is related to a goal, you want to make sure that they're linked. So then whenever you want to have a progress bar of your goal, you'll be able to see what you still need to do, what has been done, and all of that. So after, as I showed you, they're classified by category. And what am I doing? And then okay, let's go back to this view. And then here you have the travel checklist. So basically here you have all the essentials that you need for a travel, because we are called to travel a lot as figure skaters. So I put all the essentials, and then here you can add your own. As you can see, this is synced on several pages. Actually, if we go in the calendar section, you'll see that I have created a bunch of templates for you. So you have practice, recovery and physio, show, tour, exhibition, travel day, school, work, competition, and medical. When you click on each of those, they're going to show you something specific to that section. And for travel days, you will see that it is linked to the travel checklist. So you have some resources as well available for you. You will be able to discover all of that on your own. You have a to-do list, because we need to-do list and general informations just in case. And then as you can see, whenever you click on the travel checklist using the template, it will actually also do something in the travel checklist in the planning, because they're synced. So whenever you're done with your checklist, make sure to uncheck everything, so then when you want to use it again, it is as new. That's just a detail, but just to let you know. And basically that's the main thing we have on the planning section. Let me show you what it looks like from the home page. When you go down there, it's actually under the form of a calendar, as you can see right now. So here you have all the events that I have pre-entered for you. They appear up here for an easier navigation. Here I made sure that all your upcoming events were set up properly and nicely. And then you can have a look at your past events as well. So then you don't have to go all the time to the specific section. You can just be on the homepage and have a quick look and overview of things that you want to do. Here you have a little to-do list. What you can do for the to-do list is actually play with the filters. So when you click on the three dots, you go to filters, you have a rule. where the date is within the next week. And what I did on mine is that I only wanted to show the tasks that are related to the category school and work, because I don't want to see the competition. This is like, you know what I'm saying? Just the things that I need to work on manually for my work. So you can really personalize every space to your liking. But if I show you what it looks like for me, basically here, everything content creation and work is going to be listed here. And then my upcoming events are all the things that are not like everything work. You won't see it in the upcoming events because I have way too many things going on and I don't want it to be too full. So I played with the filters in order to make it happen. So this is something you can do as well. If you need some more tutorials about it, do not hesitate to ask me for it. Maybe I'll try to create a space where you can ask your questions, and then I will be able to create curated and specific tutorials for you. So if that's something you're interested in, do not hesitate to leave a comment down below so then I know that I need to put my focus on that. Let's go to the next section.